Sleepyhead must have some major ties to the dark side.
What's with that guy?
It's got to be one of his disciples or something.
My man is the deep nocturnal shit. Yo, man, I think that devil guy just got ripped off.
You wake him up?
Yeah, you do it.
Rise and shine, little guy. Some dude just stole your shit.
Which way did he go?